Welcome, turkey lovers and trivia champions. Welcome to the ultimate Thanksgiving trivia quiz. Think you know your turkeys, pies, and parade history? Let's put your festive knowledge to the test. I have got 10 Thanksgiving trivia questions coming your way. Some easy, some tricky. You'll get 5 seconds to guess each answer. Let's get started. Which U.S. state raises the most turkeys each year? Your options are Option A, Minnesota, Option B, Texas, or Option C, Virginia. Minnesota is the top turkey-producing state in the U.S. Which ship brought the Pilgrims to America? Your options are Option A, Mayflower, Option B, the Dove, or Option C, Santa Maria. The ship that carried the Pilgrims to America was named the Mayflower. What shopping day follows Thanksgiving? Your options are Option A, Savings Saturday, Option B, Holiday Rush Day, or Option C, Black Friday. The shopping day that follows Thanksgiving is Black Friday, an unofficial start to the holiday shopping season marked by large sales and discounts. What was the first giant balloon character in the Macy's parade? Your options are Option A, Mickey Mouse, Option B, Felix the Cat, or Option C, Popeye. In 1927, 3 years after the parade launched, Felix the Cat debuted as its first big balloon. What sport is commonly played on Thanksgiving Day? Your options are Option A, basketball, Option B, baseball, or Option C, football. American football is one of the many traditions in American culture that is associated with Thanksgiving Day. What day is Thanksgiving celebrated in the U.S.? Your options are Option A, 3rd Thursday of November, Option B, 4th Thursday of November, or Option C, 2nd Tuesday of November. Thanksgiving is a federal holiday in the United States celebrated on the 4th Thursday of November. The earliest Thanksgiving can occur is November 22nd. The latest is November 28th. What famous Thanksgiving event happens in New York City every year? Your options are Option A, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, Option B, the Harvest Festival, or Option C, Pilgrim March. The famous annual event is the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City. It features giant balloons, elaborate floats, marching bands, and live performances, culminating at Macy's Herald Square. The parade draws millions of in-person spectators and tens of millions of television viewers. What Thanksgiving herb is also used in holiday stuffing? Your options are Option A, basil, Option B, sage, or Option C, thyme. Sage is the classic Thanksgiving herb most often used in holiday stuffing. Which U.S. president began the tradition of pardoning a turkey? Your options are Option A, John F. Kennedy, Option B, Bill Clinton, or Option C, George H. W. Bush. While earlier presidents spared turkeys, George H. W. Bush made it an official annual tradition in 1989. What is the name of the traditional bread used in classic stuffing? Your options are Option A, sourdough, Option B, cornbread, or Option C, rye bread. Cornbread stuffing is especially popular in the southern United States. And that wraps up our Thanksgiving trivia quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and check out our other quiz videos. Happy Thanksgiving, and have a feast-tastic holiday. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.